Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Swapnil and today I will show you how you can easily get the subscription of Gemini within a 2 minutes for 2 rupees. And this will be auto renew, but I will explain the process. So let me share my screen first. So for that, what you have to do is you have to open your Chrome or any favorite browser that you are using currently. Currently I have a Gemini subscription, but this is a different account, so I will switch to my another account, which is swapnilquitty704, and you can just type Gemini. Okay, Gemini, Google Gemini or Gemini, whatever you have to prefer. uh, if you go to the plans, so these are the plans: Google AI Pro and Google AI Ultra. If you are going to with Google AI Ultra, then you have to pay 12,200 per month, and if you are using AI Pro, you have to pay 0 rupees for 1 month, because there is currently offer. There is a student offer also, but I will explain it's this particular thing later, but we'll focus on this. So what you will get, basically it's a 1950 rupees subscription for 1 month, but currently they are offering for 1 month free trial. So what you will get is you will get notebook ML, if you are using writing any notebooks and related to data science stuffs and all that. But the main part is you will get a 2 TB of total storage for photos, drive and Gmail, and you will get the Vivo subscription, so that if you want to create images or videos, that you can do it, right? Okay, so and in the Pro you will get 30 TB of space, but it's too costly. Okay, so what you have to do is, for that, you have to click on get Google AI Pro. I will paste this link so that you can easily, if you want to make choices. So pay with the UPI. What you have to do is you have to click over that, and it will open a page to pay the amount. Okay, so it's saying that 1 month free trial 1950. Okay, after that, starting 19 August, because current is 19, and to verify your payment method, 2 rupees charges will be applicable, and which will be refunded in 10 days, and you can cancel it anytime. Okay, so uh, you can use UPI as an option. Okay, click on subscribe, click on agree. Okay, so from here you can uh, verify the details. So what you have to do is you have to open your camera, and you have to scan this QR code, and you have to pay the amount. Okay, so only 2 rupees will be deducted from your account if you want to use this Google one. Okay, click on continue. Will begin requirement time until, and these are the screenshots. I will add the screenshots over here. It's saying that Google Play can request up to 1950 anytime until 31st December. Okay, okay, and I will pay, and I am setting the autopay. 08. Okay, so autopay has been succeeded. Okay, and I think okay, so if you see my screen, so it's currently loading. So it's saying that it's subscribed, and in my screenshot, I will share the screenshot. 2 rupees has been deducted, and I think within 2 days it will be credited to my account, 2 rupees. Okay, and there are different screenshot also, so I will share that, so that you will be aware about the process. Okay, so now I have subscribed. So let's say if I go to Gemini Pro. Okay, now I can create the videos if I want, or I can do many things, or I can store the data up to 2 TB if I want. Okay, so let's say if you want to play or if you want to create a video, let's say create a video of Indian, okay, sadhus doing sadhana, create video of, you can create a multiple videos as many as you miss. You can create different types of videos within a 2 minutes. Let me think. Create a video of, so I'm creating this video. Let's see. It will take hardly 2 minutes, and daily you can create max 3 videos from this particular um, Gemini Pro subscription. Okay, so we'll wait for the video. Okay, so about the Gemini, initially it was for India, we can use only VO2, but now VO3 is available in India, so you can create the videos from that. Okay, and the difference between the VO2 and VO3 is if you are using a VO2, then no background music will be, the video will be created, but there will be no sound. But in VO3 there will be a sound. So these are the two options, two different comparisons between the VO3 and VO2. Okay, so we'll wait for the video. Okay, so my video is ready. If I play this, this is kind of funny. It's not making any sense. Okay, but this video has been created, and you can. The goal is not proper, but you can download this video from here. If I click on a download, and this is how you can use the subscription. But if you want, I can show you the space also. Let me see from where we can check the space. Let's see if it's in drive. Where is the drive? Okay. You can see 0 bytes of 2 TB is used, so I can use 2 TB of storage. Okay, so this is very interesting stuff. So this is how you can use, and just by using a 2 rupees you can get the subscription of Google Gemini, and you can use it. If you don't want to use it, then you can cancel the auto renew subscription. Currently I don't want this, but it will be valid for 1 month. Okay, so but for if I forgot after 1 month, so for safety reasons I will, this is my screenshot. Okay, and what I will do is I will directly click on, okay, click on cancel subscription now. If I click on cancel auto pay, so it will directly cancel my subscription. Okay, and this is very simple process. So this is how you can manage the things and manage the Gemini subscription and auto renew things. Thank you.